and welcome back to Cooking with OGN. So my last video I showed how I use this vegetable chopper that I just bought. I shouldn't be calling vegetable chopper that I bought from Ali for about £3 something to cut these potatoes, to get these potatoes that you see there. So the reason I did that, I wanted to cook healthier, and also this was pushed by the fact that the prices of potatoes just keep rising. So I just thought, just buy fresh potatoes and cut it myself and just make chips for my family. So I've cut this. So this video is more about the air fryer using this. So I bought this silicone, I don't know what to call it, bowls or something, to make fries for my air fryer. So you're going to watch me use this. Okay, so this is my air fryer. Let's see. So that's the air fryer, and so I'm going to be cooking with that. So first of all, what I'm going to do is take this off and then plug it in. So this is my salad master pot, but I'm not using that today. You can use it to fry your chips, but that's not what I'm going to be doing today. I'm just going to be using this air fryer called Live Kit. So pull out the air fryer. I pride myself in making sure that everything that I'm using is kept the way they are according when they were bought and look as clean as new as possible. So I've been using baking papers, cutting them and putting it there. So when I recently bought it, so I went to Ali and I found the silicone. So I bought this and I've been using that since. I have about 2 of it. So see, it fits in. So the size of this tray is about, hold this for me please. So let's see, the size of this is about 21 cm. Don't know if you can see that. There you go. So I don't know if you can see that. That's 21 cm, the diameter. So the silicone had to be about 20 centimeter or less in order to fit this. Okay, so my main thing was I needed to make sure that it is space around, because this is an air fryer, so you need the air to circulate and cook this properly. So that's the potatoes that I've cut using the chopper, and I've put 1 spoon of oil and salt, a little bit of salt, and I've tossed it around. So now I'm just gonna pour it into the air fryer. So that's it. So it's the air fryer. So now I'm gonna use this fork and then spread it so that it cooks evenly. I want every chip to have a space of its own so that it cooks evenly. And one of the things I love about using the air fryer is the fact that, you know, it cooks the food a lot faster, which therefore means that I'm saving more on my gas, on my electricity, on my gas, because not that this uses gas, but you know, because I'm not using the oven, I'm saving money on the gas, and because this cooks really fast, it saves money on electricity. So okay, so what I do next is to start the air fryer. So I'm just gonna put it on, and then when I put it on, that's what you see. So press that. I need to bring this forward because I want the back of it to have space for air to circulate. So put it on, and I need it to be at 200, and I'm going to be cooking it for 8 minutes. Yeah, so 208 minutes, and then I press start. So that's it now, cooking. And so we're going to cut and wait for it to finish cooking for the 8 minutes, and then we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so I think it's 8 minutes or 9 minutes that I did that, so it's done. So I'm gonna open it and see what it looks like. So that's the chips. all done. I'm gonna toss it around a little bit. Just gonna toss it a little bit. I know my son likes it a little bit brown, so I'm just gonna toss it a little bit, and then I'm gonna put it in for another few minutes. So I'll toss and then back in there. Okay, so again, press that and increase that to 200, and time I'm going to do maybe 4 minutes instead. That's that. So it started, so hopefully by the time it finishes, it's now it should be done completely. Okay, so it's finished. Let's see what it looks like. So okay, that's how it looks now. So that's our chips done. So and I just need to dish it out with some vegetable and chicken, and that is it done. So thank you for watching the review for this silicone thing. I can't remember what it's called. I'm gonna forget it and put it down properly. So that's it. Thanks. It's I didn't say the price, did I? It's about £2 something for 2, and it took about 1 week to arrive. So all you just need to do is lift this. It has a tab on the side. See if you can see this tab. So just pick that up and pick the other one up and lift it out. And then see, it's all clean. And I can just put it right back so you can see that it's clean. There's a little bit of stain there, but it's clean though. So just put it right back, and then go down to this side, turn it off, take that off, and I always like to put this right back on top of it. I always like to put this back on every one of them. Any electrical appliance, I try to disconnect it and put this right back. So put it behind there, and then gently push this. This is warm. And then this is warm. This is warm, so you have to be careful. Oh, another thing I forgot to show you about the air fryer. I'm gonna take this out. So it does come off on its own. So you push this there. So this is like that. You push this, press in, and then you lift up. So you see the air fryer. So you can just lift it out, and then you push it in, press down, and then it goes in. And you close it there. So when you lift it now, both of them are lifted up, and then you push it in and it's closed, and that is it. And that's our fries all done. Okay, thank you, see you soon, bye. Okay, so I forgot to add that it's very easy to wash. Just use a foam and some soap, non-abrasive foam, and just clean it. Okay, so ignore the fact that I'm using one hand. I've already washed it. Just wanted to show you that it's very easy to clean, and you just turn it around and clean the back too. Again, this is not how I wash it, but I've already done the washing, and I was doing the washing, and I remembered, oh, I needed to show that is very easy to clean. So just turn it on and just rinse it out. Very flexible. And turn it around. Right, this is clean. I'm gonna direct some of this water over there just to clean the sink a bit. Okay, so turn it off and then show you what it looks like. So it's washed, all clean. And I've used this a couple of times. I've used it to roast chicken, marinated chicken, and all sorts, and a lot of times, and it's been this way. So I'm going to show you the other one that came with it, and I've not used that one once. So here's the one that came with it. I'm going to put it next to it. I'm gonna end up wetting it by doing that, but never mind. Just gonna put the tray down, wipe the tray down a bit so that there's no water on it. So that's the original one, the one that came with it, because there were two of them. I see that's what they look like. So let me put it this way so you can see. Not too bad for something that's been used many times, you know. And I also got another one, which is this one, which is also using the air fryer. Now when I've not used this one once. The reason is that it is quite big. It's proper snug when I put it in the air fryer, so I'll show that to you. So I'll take out the air fryer and then I try to put this in. If you see, I have to literally push it in. It fits, but you know, it's a very snug fit, so that's why I don't use this. So I can use it to cook in my normal oven if I decide I want to cook in the normal oven. I can also use it to bake cake if I want. So I made cake yesterday, yesterday, and I made a cake day for yesterday because it was my son's birthday yesterday, and then my other son's birthday 3 days ago, so I had to make cake. So this can be used to make cake. But it's specifically bought for my air fryer. Now another thing about this particular one is that you can fold it. So forgive, I'm trying to use one hand to do this, so just excuse me. So because I'm holding my camera, I've taken it off the tripod. I don't even know if you can hear me because my voice is quite soft and low today. So let's see. And then you bend this end. So bend that end so that you can end up having a smaller one that you just put in the air fryer. So I should have bought a smaller size one, but I was a bit too ambitious and I bought a bigger one. So when I took the measurement, this is the measurement that I took. So I thought that this would fit because this should fit. But when it goes up, it actually flares out. So that's the reason why it was taking up so much space. But this bottom size of it is smaller for my air fryer, but it just flares out. So because of that, it doesn't fit properly. So this one fits a lot better, you know, because if you look at this now, this is the same size as that. It's exactly the same size, but you see the extra size. So once I put it open it, you can see where it's flaring out. Let me see get a proper line. You can see how it flares out, babe. So basically what I mean is that instead of going up straight, it goes out that way, babe. So that's why it doesn't fit in the air fryer. But they are very, very good. It protects your air fryer, saves you on a lot of washing. So how quickly and easy it was to wash, because I've only just started washing for a second, then I remembered, oh, I wanted to show it on the video. So that's it for the silicones for the air fryer. They're very, very good. This one was about I think £2 or £3 something, whereas this two is £2 something for two. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.